question says to write a program to find the area of a triangle. If you guys don't know what is the formula to find the area of the triangle, then as you can see, the area of the triangle is height into base divided by 2, or simply half into base into height. So by this you understand that we need to take two variables, that is base and height. So let's start creating a variable. Let's call the first one as small b, which signifies the base. Now let's go for the height. Once I have created both the variables or the input functions, what I have to do is I have to create a variable, let's call it a, and then I have to assign the formula to it, that is b into h divided by 2. Please take note that we need to put the numerators in the bracket so that these get multiplied and the product gets divided by 2. Next we need to write the print function. And then I have to put comma and then the variable a. Remember to put the comma. Time to run the program. So let's set any base 20 and then height comes out to be, let's say, 34. The area of the triangle is 340. Let's test it out using the Google. Base 20 and height is 34. So the area comes out to be 340. It is the same as the area of the triangle given in the Python compiler. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, leave a like down below.